So we're at Ollie's floor that is on sale. $31.99. And this is what it looks like. We're gonna get the gray one. I'm going crazy busy the last couple of days because I am like, you know, I got like this inspiration to do the Airstream and I just can't stop. I mean, I've got the vegetable garden that I have to plant, I've got to moss it, I've got to do stuff, and I just have this like overwhelming inspiration to finish that Airstream, or at least get it as good, livable situation as possible. Christian is also motivated like me, so we're gonna get to it this week. We are decided to take the sofa that's in the front out and get a whole new sofa, and I'll bring you that once we're ready. But right now I got up really early this morning. I've got Louis and Christian back at the house, and I just left them there because can't, like, you know, focus and stuff when they're with me because, you know, they're bored, this, that, whatever. So today, but I did get a lot of stuff yesterday. We got the flooring, I got the towels for the bathroom, I got some accessories. I did a lot of Pinterest scrolling last night to get some ideas because some things are expensive. So right now I want to paint the RV, we want to put in the flooring, and I'm going to order the furniture that we're going to put in there. We're going to fix Christian's bed, and then we're going to start putting in all the good stuff. So, and there's other things that I need to get, but those are going to go, we're going to go thrifting to buy some nice accessories, maybe a nice lamp or something for the Airstream. I'm trying to get him motivated too, because he seems to be very unmotivated at the moment for anything. The problem with him is, like most people, they see these large projects and they're like, you know, they give up because it looks endless. When he pulled out the rug and then he started cleaning, and he's just like, this is a never-ending Airstream project and it looks really big. Well, the part of the reason that I bought the Airstream was so he can learn to not be overwhelmed with big projects in life. So he didn't pass the test for the big project thing, and I kind of figured, but he gets a little too emotional. So, but now I'm going to be working with him and we're going to do this together. So, but first I have to get breakfast. So, a lot of inspiration this morning, and I'm off to Walmart to finish off getting like some things that I need for the Airstream, some sticky tiles that I want to put in the bathroom, and some other things that I need. So, yes, I did go a little overboard with my shopping, but it'll all work out at the end. Welcome to the inspiration of the Airstream. After we went to the tin can tours, we got totally inspired to get this thing done, and we are going to get it done. I'm going to start in the bathroom, and Christian is removing the hardware right now. Yeah. And ta-da! Yes, we got rid of the bed. Christian got rid of the sofa bed, and move out of the way so they can see. Ta-da! And the other sofa was removed as well. So
I have to say the one that was here was harder because of the tight corners.
Yeah. But it's all going to get done. This place is going to be gorgeous when I'm done. All right, let's get to it. Okay, first I'm putting the drop cloth on the countertop because at some point I may want to paint this countertop. But for right now, it's not in such bad shape that I have to do anything with it. The last time that you saw my Airstream video, you saw that I had already cleaned the walls and everything with vinegar and some hydrogen, I think it was hydrogen peroxide, which was a great way to clean. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prime the walls with the kilts, especially here in the bathroom, because there could be mold. Some of that paper looks kind of moldy, so I'm going to hit that with the kilts, and I'm also going to hit some up in the front with some of the kilts as well, because around the windows it's very moldy. So this is going to be very helpful. I'm going to shake it up first. This is my favorite way of painting large spaces. I don't like rollers, and brushes for me are just in tight spaces. And I also have this one for the corner, and I love these. paint on my nose. Louis just told me I have paint on my nose, so whatever. Anyway, it feels so good. I've been so scared to paint this place white, and I finally got it white. This is what I've been using today. And that's just to cover up all the yellowing stains. The windowsills were painted by somebody, and I decided to paint them white. I have metal paint for them there, so I will use that. What happened today was we did remove the sofa. So that area has to be cleaned before I can paint. But at least I got primed all the yellow stuff that's there. And yes, there's some dripping there, but I'll get that tomorrow. I'll sand that. I'm so tired. All the yellow that was there, I got rid of that. So yeah, it's coming along. These are the old blinds. Gonna clean up this place. That's a drop cloth that's there. Okay, so here's the bathroom painted with the kilts. Still hasn't been painted, so it's still transparent. Yes, I did paint the windowsill well because somebody also painted the windowsill here, so I just decided to paint that as well. And tomorrow I have to paint that also with the kilts. And then over here I'm going to do some molding around these mirrors. So it's coming along. It looks good. It looks nice, bright and sunny. My body aches from bending and moving and all of this stuff. But the bathroom is going to get finished today for the Airstream. I got all the sofas out yesterday. And Louis is working on my truck camper. He is going to put in the fantastic vent.
You want this different cover on this vent? And then we'll put the fantastic vent on the other one.
Whatever.
The fantastic vent cover.
Whatever. Yeah, this vent I'm not going to open that. I'm just going to leave it enough. Well, thank you. So it's going to be working there. All right, we're turning this shelf that I had in my other camper in the travel trailer. We're going to paint this black. I had it brown, and Christian's going to paint it black because he's going to use this near his bed so he can put his phone at night and some other accessories when he goes to bed at night. Doing that, and then I have some pretty flowers that I planted in pots. I still haven't finished my garden. I still have to finish. I'll show you what I'm doing in the garden. These came out of the trailer yesterday, and I'm going to use these for planting under the trees, so I can plant some stuff under the trees, get stuff started. Anything that's like shade is going to be planted in there. They're going to be way back there by some of the trees. I'll show you what's going on in the garden. So I planted some pots of flowers, which is pretty because now I have my floor and it looks nice. Still got my wind vane there, so I have to put that up. So there's the pots, and then here, this is what I'm doing here in the vegetable garden. Still haven't planted it, but I am putting some Spanish moss on the walkways in order to keep the weeds out. So as you can see, I still have some stuff I gotta get done over there. And that's the tree that gives me free moss. There's a whole bunch of moss on the floor there. I'm gonna go get it, and there's some branches with moss that fell. That's what's going on. Okay, we're at the dump. Ready to dump all the, oh, we gotta get this oil. That's gotta go somewhere else. Let me get this. That's motor oil. We gotta bring it somewhere else. That's my recycling here. I thought it was important to show these clips that we have had to make to our local waste dump location. My first time doing a renovation project like this did not include the planning of this crucial step. If you are planning an RV renovation, keep in mind that you will need to have a truck or haul trailer to haul your trash to a local dump and the muscle to help you do just that. You may also have to go several times as we did in order to dispose of all the items we removed, like we did in our Airstream. It has taken us a total of 3 trips so far. All done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please share it, and please subscribe. Louis, how am I going to get this crap off my nose, Louis? I didn't know I had that much paint on my nose. I'm doing a video, Louis, and I have paint on my nose. I told that opinion. But I didn't know it was that much. I thought it was... Don't forget to pick up your pet emergency sticker for your RV. The link is in the description box below.